Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to or welcome back to Figs Outside. So today we're going to be replacing the headlight bulbs and eventually the actual headlights themselves on a 2002 Ford F-150. So there it is. That is what we're replacing the original 2002, I believe, headlight bulbs. So this is an 02. That is the number for those headlights. These are the Silver Star Ultras. I love these lights. I have them in my Dodge, I have them in the Yukon, and this is what I'm talking about. These are super yellowed out, but right now we can clean those off, but I'd rather just get some, sorry guys, we can clean those off, but I'd rather just actually get some newer ones later. I'll probably clean them off a little bit. So waiting for my daughter to get out here and then we'll begin. So this is the first part that you're gonna wanna do right here, is on these F-150s. I'm not sure if the 250s or 350s have them, but you got to pull these tabs up, and you can hear it click. And you might have to wiggle them a little bit. Sometimes you get a little bit stuck. And also down here, if you guys can see that, that is the headlight adjustment. And then right back there, show you guys, that is where the bulb sits. It goes inside. There's a little twist collar. You pop that off. Little ring, you lift that. I think you can actually do it without having to take it out. Yeah, actually you can, it looks like. I don't know about the other side. Let's take a peek at the other side real quick. So this is the driver's side, and it would be an extremely tight fit because you got the coolant bottle right here. So I don't know if there's a way to, you guys can see there's not a whole lot of room. I don't think there is anyway. So you might be able to get away with not having to take out the passenger side, but the driver's side, I mean, you would have to have some super tiny hands to do that. And I don't think there's actually, yeah, you might be able to, but yeah, we're probably just gonna pop this one out. Same thing, there's the adjustment screw to where you could adjust the tilt of the headlight for up or down. So anyway, waiting for her. All right guys, so here's the passenger side. Faith, you see this? So we're gonna twist that collar right there. Pull that, and then getting that collar off there, and it unplugs. You guys can see that? Be sure that collar will fall off. It comes off, you see what I'm talking about? Not too bad. And then the bulb.
You are a dog, I'm a bird.
So these original ones. Boom, there we go. So these are still good bulbs. They're just really, really dim, and it doesn't help that those are super disgusting. So we're gonna also save those since there's absolutely nothing wrong with them, except for they're just really, really yellow. So anyway, so it's reverse process. Gonna snap this bulb in there and then hook it back up. And then I'll show you guys the driver's side on how to actually take the lamp out, since that's what we're gonna have to do. Okay guys, so got the other one all snapped in. So this is the driver's side. This is, you got to lift those tabs right here. So, did you already lift that one?
Mm-mm.
Already lifted? No, it was just really stuck. So anyway, you're going to lift those tabs, wiggle them, try to keep them lifted, and then this will just you lift that tab out, and if you can also get back there and kind of push with your fingers. You want to hold this way? Lift that tab. Ooh, thing is stuck. All right, guys, I'm gonna mess with this tab real quick. Be right back. All right, guys, so I just had to push it out a little bit more. So anyway, once you get those tabs lifted, if you look on the back side, you can actually see, maybe from this angle, let's see. Hold on, guys, let me turn the light on. All right, guys, so right down there by the adjustment, oop, there it is. You can see how that slips on there. And so also, this part right here, real quick reminder, so there's this little tab right here on the back side. This piece right here will get stuck underneath the lip of that, so you just have to lift them out and then pull it all the way up. Okay? Okay. So once you have that, there it is. So these are the adjustments tab. This is what adjusts the headlight for to raise your headlights up or down. And so it's the same process. You're going to twist that collar, pull that back, unplug the, actually let's do this real quick. Unplug it. You want to be sure you put it back on the same way. And with the light, oh, there you go. So there's the bulb. Then we'll replace the new one. So the same way. Just going to be sure it goes in there. You can see the tabs on the bulbs right there. You want to line those up. Pops in there just like so. Snap that back on there, guys. So when you line it back up, also the tabs are going to fall. Oops. The tabs will fall. And so you just want to be sure that you have the tabs lined up. You don't want to miss those, and then you just got to line these back up. And we'll, if you look in here, guys, real quick, you can see what I'm talking about. So that's where those will go, right there. You can see that. When you snap it down, it locks it back into place. This other side will fall. So right there's the circle. So that's where you want to line it up. You just want to be sure you line those back up so they go in there nice and easy. And sticking on. Tab's not one to line up. Come on, you dirty bugger. So you guys know what I'm talking about real quick. So there's these tabs right here. These will snap onto these lines right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So that's what I'm trying to get to line up. So anyway, once you line those up, you'll slide those through, and you just got to be careful because these are, I mean, they flex, they're plastic, they're held in there. So I'm trying not to be too rough. And so anyway, that's what I'm trying to get to line up. That's what you want to line up. So instead of just heating up more time, I'll show you guys what it's like when I get it back in there. So of course, after I say all that and show you guys that, it just popped right in without even, yeah. Anyway, so that's how you change out the headlight bulbs on the, oh, got to push that one down, lock it in. So And you want to be sure you push this down, lock it in. I got this one set. I haven't done this one yet, but that's how you change out the bulbs, you guys. So this is the driver's side. Like I said, we were able to get it done on the passenger side because there is enough room to get your hand. Oh, there it is. Your hand down in there to pop that off and undo the light. So it's the driver's side that you got to take out. So there it is, guys. Easy way to change it. It took us maybe 5 minutes total. That's including me dinking around with that stupid headlight. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. And if you like this video, if it helps you out at all, and also I'll post the years in the description down below on the years on how you can do this. I think it was like 98 through 2004 or something like that. But I'll post it down there. All right, guys. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. And we'll get it to you guys a little bit later. And a big thanks to my helper.